Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a full baby light and includes a lot of foiling, root shadowing, toning, everything and anything a blonding session pertains to. A question I get quite frequently is how I price my highlights. I've done a half baby light price breakdown before that I'll put on the card for you guys to check out. And today I'm going to go over my pricing for a full baby light. These prices are my current prices as of right now at this point in time. I try to raise my prices at least once a year, and the time is drawing near. Today I will be using Schwarzkopf Blonde Me. You probably noticed in the last few tutorials I've been using Schwarzkopf Blonde Me again. I still love my Goldwell Oxycure. It's just Schwarzkopf Blonde Me was always my #1 ride or die for so long. So every now and then I like to buy a couple and just play with them because they're so strong, powerful, but yet very gentle. So my blonding foiling menu, whatever you want to call it, has 6 options: a partial, half, and full highlight low light, or a partial, half, or full teasy light low light. Everything that is needed for the basis of the session is included in the starting price. It's very important when consulting with a client when they are booking that you're very honest, and if they don't bring up the prices, you must. I've had times when the client didn't ask, and since I have it on my highlight on Instagram, I was ignorant and assumed they were aware and fine with the pricing. Trust me when I tell you guys, bring it up because you could lose a future loyal client. So for a full highlight or any of the 6 following options, they all come with the foiling technique, Olaplex number 1 and 2, first mix of a lightener. If it's just a low light, it will include the first original mix of the low light formula, the root toner, whether it's a tap, shadow, or smudge, the all over toner, and finally the blowout flat iron or beach wave style. I know for my fellow stylists this sounds like a lot to include, but I wanted a way where clients couldn't say no to a toner or Olaplex or even a blow dry, and that's exactly what would happen when everything was an add-on. Some clients try to save as much money as possible, kicking out anything that they possibly do need but feel they don't. So they'd refuse Olaplex, which means more damage to the hair, no toner, they would be brassy, and no blowout, I wouldn't really be able to see the result or get after pictures. Now, you always want your clients to look and feel their best because they're your walking advertisement. Guys, I have built my entire business and clientele through Instagram and pictures of my work, so for me it was always extremely important for my clients' hair to look the best it possibly could at all times when leaving. So today, since we're talking a full highlight only, the starting price is $200 and it comes with everything I named a minute ago.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to.
This is a great way to do things because clients like things simple and easy. So when we begin, they know they're starting off with $200 because it's a full highlight. The only way it will go up is if we add a haircut, paint between, extra product, a custom toner mix, and so on. Every extra bowl of lightener after the original bowl is $20 per bowl, and I usually mix between 90 to 120 grams, which is 3 to 4 ounces. I usually do 1 scoop of lightener, which is 30 grams, and I like to usually do it 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. If they need a low light, it would be $15 per bowl. Since we're doing a full highlight on Julia today, if she wanted a low light, I'd tack on $15 per bowl used. If we were doing a full low light for like a foil conversion or something like that, then it would be the first mix free included in the starting price and $15 per bowl since it's a low light. With toners, the only way there's a charge is if an extra mix is needed or a mid toner, which occurs during color corrections. That's where I do a root shadow, then a second one right after that for the first couple of inches into the ends. So it's a third toner added. And then if that's the case, I'll just tack on $10 extra. Sometimes if I mix 8 colors for the toner, I'll just add an extra $10 for giving them a custom blend and using more than an average. A paint between is what I do if a client has gray coverage that needs to be painted in between the foils, or if we are doing a rooted look and planning on a root smudge, I'll paint in between the foils. If we're just doing a root paint between for the first 1 to 3 inches, it's $60. Everything left out, all the hair remaining, if we colored all that, everything else that's left out of the foils, then it's $80.
Be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't I can help you out. 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 I can help you out.
So it sounds very complicated, but I assure you it's really simple. I always leave a pad near my mixing area, and every time I remix, I write it down so there's no confusion at the end. And if a client is having any reservations, I'll just pull out the pad and go over everything with a breakdown. So let's break it down here. Julia is getting a full baby light, so that's $200. We use 3 bowls of lightener, so the first is free, so she'll be charged for 2 of them. So 20 plus 20 is 40, so far we're at $240. Let's say we did a bowl of a low light, that's 15, so we're up to $255. Say she wanted just a trim. When they are getting one of the 6 foiling menu options, I only charge them $40 for a trim or a dusting instead of the normal $60 for a haircut. If it's something that's a real haircut, then absolutely I'll charge $60. But if they're just doing a dusting or I have a mandatory dust because we're overlapping, I only charge them $40. So let's say we do that trim, that will bring us up to $295. And for fun, let's just say we did a root paint between 2 to 3 inches in between every foil. So that's 60. So 255. So 355 would be her total. I hope this all makes sense. Also, a question I always get often is, do I charge more for baby lights? No, I do not. Baby lights is usually more foils and more products, so it's always a little bit more naturally. I used to when I would charge 20 more, but it's easier this way, and 98% of my clients are baby lights anyway.
Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder I too. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 I can help you out.
My golly, look at those money pieces. So beautiful. Now, a little thing about Julia is her hair is very stubborn. When she first came to me, she was actually my final ever platinum card. She used to have all over lightener on the scalp, and her hair was literally melted off. So I'm going to try to find a before and after pic of our platinum card session and what her hair looked like before we started. She literally let it grow out for like 2 years. I mean, she was terrified, had such a bad experience. So we did a platinum card. I told her she was my final one. I don't like doing them. I find them very damaging. But I told her once we did that, afterwards we can just keep up with it with baby lights, and that's what we've been doing. This is our 3rd time. But we found that she's very stubborn and she doesn't like to lift. So that's why I grabbed the Schwarzkopf Lamy today, because it's a lot stronger and more powerful. And this is the best lift we've ever gotten for her. So I like shadowing her with 7N, 7NA Goldwell Colorance. I like doing equal parts of those, so there's a lot more ash to knock down any brass that has transpired during the lifting process. I leave those money pieces out for the last minute. But I am toning her today with Fanola's color line, the No Yellow line. It's their toning line. They have the T.02, which is the violet-based toner, T.21, which is blue-based, and then 10 Ice, 3.5 volumes, the dedicated developer, and I am doing equal parts of each. Let me tell you something, this toner is very scary. I wish I got more footage of it. This toner always turns bright green in the bowl, and then within a few minutes, the purple comes in, the violet, and it actually, smooths everything out. Because you got to remember, if there's any little bit of yellow left in the hair, a blue toner is going to turn green, because yellow and blue equal green. So interesting to watch. That's why I love being a colorist, because you get to see magic happen right in front of you all the time. If you're interested in Fanola products and information, check below in my description box. I also have a discount code, BRETT10, BRETT10, for 10% off your entire order. And that code's good for either website, fanola.net or salonguys.com. Happy shopping, guys. Stay tuned. I have a video coming really soon in the next couple of weeks, where I compare 3 of the top lighteners from the Fanola family, the 24K Keratin Lightening Powder, the No Yellow Cream, and the No Yellow 9 Levels of Lip Powder. So we'll see which one's the best. That's coming soon, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so now and hit the bell so you're notified every time a video is posted every Monday and Friday.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 Here we go.
God, you guys, this is the final results. Look how beautiful.
Those look great.
Thank you. Lighting is everything. So I told you it looks so different inside compared to out here. We did the root shadow, 7N, 7NA, Goldwell Colorance, and I toned her with Fanola. This is her formula. I use on her all the time. I did T.21, T.02, and 10 Ice, equal parts, or I'll break it down in the description box. All right, it's like 2 degrees out here today, so I'm gonna let her go. All right, guys, let me know down below what you think, and let me know what videos you want to see in the future. Have a nice day. Love you guys. So long for now.
I can help